Hi everyone, I'm here with my puppy Sequoia to read you Clifford the Big Red Dog by Norman Bidwell. I'm Emily Elizabeth and I have a dog. My dog is a big red dog. Other kids I know have dogs too. Some are big dogs and some are red dogs. But I have the biggest, reddest dog on the street. This is my dog Clifford. We have fun together. We play games. I throw a stick and he brings it back to me. He makes mistakes sometimes. We played hide and go seek. I'm a good hide and go seek player. I can find Clifford no matter where he hides. We play camping out and I don't need a tent. He can do tricks too. He can sit up and beg. Oh, I know he's not perfect. He has some bad habits. He runs after cars. He catches some of them. He runs after cats too. And we don't go to the zoo anymore. Clifford loves to chew on shoes. And he digs up flowers too. It's not easy to keep Clifford. He eats and drinks a lot. His house was a problem too, but he's a very good watchdog. And the mean boys don't come around anymore. One day I gave Clifford a bath. And I combed his hair and took him to the dog show. I'd like to say Clifford won first place, but he didn't. I don't care. You can keep all your small dogs. You can keep all your black, white, brown, and spotted dogs. I'll keep you, Clifford. Wouldn't you? Thanks for joining me and Sequoia. Have a good day.